climbing 400 feet a minute. 92 knots ground, 92 knots air. Climbing through 7,300. Okay, all the cameras are lighted up. Getting ready to do this. We're at 7,700 feet. We're going to make a turn and drop down in the canyon and follow that stream. That's our target. It's a little gnarly now. It's almost 9:30. We're getting right at the limit of time of day that beyond which you do not want to be flying around up here. I'll go over here and make a turn and descend down onto the creek for about 5 miles. A little turbulence here. It's not bad. All right, here we go. Wow, that reservoir's almost drained already. We're not even a third of the way through the summer. California drought. Little bumpy here. Oh yeah, that is some trout water there. Oh, there's a tent. You see that tent? Didn't go very far from the road, but see if we see anybody else. There's some nice water in there. Oh yeah, what a beautiful setting. That's with drought conditions too. Watch for any other tents. I want to know how many people are camped out down here on a weekend. Gnarly down here.
Yes, it is. Awful.
Wow, look at those deep pools. Beautiful. Oh, it gets a lot steeper down here. Wow, this is going to be a long hike out of here when I come down here. Probably have to make it a 2-dayer. Well, this granite bedrock here.
It's a long canyon.
Haven't seen a single road yet.
No, I haven't either.
Oh wow, look at some of that white water and
Yeah.
look at those pools. Holy cow. Now it goes into some pretty heavy forest here. Oh wow, look at that.
Nice though.
Oh, looks like we got a real gorge right up here. Oh yeah. Man, oh man, this is going to be a 10-mile hike down here. Oh, look at those pools. Wow.
Oh, this is a nice stretch.
Oh yeah, catch that one on the right there.
Oh, look at those rocks.
Okay, we're going to end up at Calaveras Trees State Park, which is what kind of trees?
Big trees there, sequoias.
Man, that's a beautiful stream, and that's California drought conditions too. If there was a snowpack, that thing would be ripping good. A lot smoother down here. And we should be coming up on a road here pretty quick. Getting down almost to Calaveras Trees. Okay, there's the road. So that's the takeout there. So that's about a 10-mile walk. Then we'll bring a car down here and leave it here for the takeout. There's a parking area right there. Yep. Okay, that's the end of the run. Let's get some altitude and get out of this death zone.
An osprey or a bald eagle.
In a nest?
Tree. Yeah.
All right, let's climb out of here.
Wherever you are in the world, share your aviation. Share Aviation, a network for pilots by pilots.